Okay. I am here just to save our campaign. This is save YHI implement RTI because it is a government funded organization. That's why we want that RTI should be implemented in this organization because there is a very much irregularities of funding and there is no accountability. Many RTI has been filed, but there is no response. Second, there is no lack of transparency in elections. All elections are conducted beyond the wall. Members don't have any information. There is no way voting list properly maintained. And in the present situation, the election of Delhi State Youth Council will be held from 13 to 15 of December. There is till today only 10 days left. There is no scrutiny of nominations. There is no scrutiny committee available on our website, and we want that there should be free and fair, transparent elections should be conducted, and proper democracy, true government democracy should be implemented. This is the second point. Third point is that there is a death of tracker. We want a inquiry. Every life is very precious. Why that is happening, and we want that trained staff should be implemented. Okay. All the policies. Fourth point is that it name suggests it is Youth Hostel Association of India, but maximum office bearers of 75 plus year of age, they are retired. They are enjoying the benefits of youth because subsidy is given to youth, not to retirees. Okay. So we want that there should be age limit, all guidelines should be followed, and especially I am requesting to Mr. Anurag Thakur, Minister of Youth and Affairs, that sir please save YHI. This is a very precious organization who can give platform to the youth who are not capable to go for advanced tour. So, and one more thing is there that all the things, all the elections that should be conducted within the guidelines given by Delhi High Court, which are not implemented here till now. So I am requesting the press media also that please raise our issues so that we can save our YHI from all the irregularities. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for the videos.
Manoj Gupta, retired IATS officer of Northern Railway. I am a life member of the YHI. I am dealing with the YHI for the last 30 years. I am a tracker also. So for the last 30 years, I have so many experiences of the YHI, and I found some fraudulent rules and activities in the YHI which is behind our control. We have tried our levels best to improve these things, but we can't. Like RTI, it's not coming the RTI, whether it's a central government funding is getting from the state government also, and the trackers also, they are getting a lot of money, but there is no provision to even monetary solution or cage, nothing of that. They are all, it has become a society of a few members, whether it's a state election, whether it's a national election, whether it's a unit election. They all become a group of the people, and they are doing their own according to their own solutions and selecting people. Then anybody raise the questions for the elections, they never give the clear transparency of that. Likewise, as in these Delhi state elections are going to be after this year, it was done in 18, with the people within them. Now when we have raised the issue and we met them, they said we have already given 2 months back in the newspapers, but they could not given the name of the newspapers. Rather, they said we can do whatever you want to do, but they never asked. Now they said when we met them, they said we will call you for a scrutiny. Now they have given a date 13 to 15 only, but till date there is no message for the security of the papers, and we are waiting for him. They are just we are giving so many time mails and telephonic conversations, but every time they are cleaning their hands and giving no information. Rather, I can say if they have given the date for 13 to 15, or that is not a Sunday even. It's all in working days, and moreover they haven't given the time at what time they will election will start and at time they will close the elections. Then we asked, they given the date of nomination paper on 8th November. We want to see how many people they applied for that. But they said, we will tell in the court only. Why? It's a public right. See how many people and what is the list of that people apply for the nomination. They did not give that. Moreover, these trackers are followed by the people who are untrained. That is why the young youth are dying. For the last 10, 20, 15 years, 20, 21 youth has lost their lives, but they have nothing to do with them. No questions, no explanation, so that if one dies due to incidents, in future nobody can. But there is no regret, nothing of the sort. And the parents are running here and pillar to post, but they are getting any satisfaction. And they total monopoly, these Democrats have become the oligarchy in the country. The due to its YHI. YHI is a very reputed institute that's working the global level, in India itself. But the people it's a group of people, monarchy, right, like. We are only to serve for this purpose. There should be a proper election with transparency for every state, unit election, state election, national election. Second, we want everything should be under RTI, that is every people's rights. Third, we want the economic conditions should be clear and transparency should be there. There is a catch, it should check the monetary position of the country. Moreover, there should be a proper information not only for tracking. YHA is a association for the youth, and to improve the youth, it's being a developing country, for the growth of the youth for all spheres of life. Not only tracking people, tracking with the untrained people and going to die. Moreover, when this is going on, there should be a proper information about the elections, and transparency should be there. Or in Delhi state even 15,000 people are life members. In the last 18 elections, only 15 people have applied. Out of 15,000, only 15. It's a mockery, it's a joke on the name of the elections. We want it should not happen again, and there should be a dent on this irrecoverable loss, and fraudulent user should be stopped. And this facility of YHI should be given to every person. And the people who are sitting on this YHI as a senior members for the last 15 years, 20 years, and they are enjoying the powers. There should be a limit to how many times one person can be selected as a chairman or secretary and like that. Not every time the same person should. A chance should be given to youth people. Moreover, if they are experienced people, they should serve on an honorary basis, not like sitting on the chair. They are sitting the chair. They should give the chance for youth hostel. Yes, under their guidance. So they have got so many things. Now they should serve. It's the time to serve the youth hostel of India. I want this only. Thank you.
Thank you.
नमस्कार जी, प्रभाकर कौशिक, मैं यूथ हॉस्टल का लगभग 27 साल से लाइफ मेंबर। सबसे बड़ी गलती इनकी क्या है कि इनकी ये लिस्ट है दिल्ली स्टेट की, ये साउथ की लिस्ट है, 5,600 नाम है, और सीरियल नंबर 19 में धर्मवीरा जी का नाम है। 20 साल से ज़्यादा हो गई, इनकी मृत्यु हो चुकी है, और ये यूथ हॉस्टल ट्रस्ट के चेयरमैन रहे हुए हैं, और सारे ट्रस्टी, सारे नेशनल के सारे बैरियर सब इनके, जब इनका देहांत हुआ था वहाँ गए थे, और सबको पता है, लेकिन इनका अब तक चुनाव की लिस्ट में नाम है धर्मवीरा जी। और सबसे बड़ी गलती है कि दिल्ली की स्टेट में उत्तराखंड के नाम है, पिथौरागढ़ के नाम है, हरियाणा के नाम है, नॉर्थ में वेस्ट के नाम है, वेस्ट में साउथ के नाम है, ईस्ट के वेस्ट में नाम है, वेस्ट के नॉर्थ के, मतलब मिक्सअप है, कोई इन्होंने अपडेट नहीं किया। दूसरी बात है, जो 15-15 साल से बाहर रह रहे हैं, जैसे कि दिल्ली स्टेट के जो प्रेसिडेंट है KL शर्मा, वो गुड़गांव में रह रहे हैं, लेकिन उनका एड्रेस लिस्ट में, सेंट्रल दिल्ली की लिस्ट में सीरियल नंबर 1374, हाउस नंबर 12, ब्लॉक नंबर 20 और लोधी कॉलोनी, ये वहाँ पर रह रहे हैं। और JK श्रीवास्तव जो कि गाजियाबाद में रह रहे हैं, 15 साल से ज़्यादा है, और उनका नाम है ईस्ट दिल्ली की लिस्ट में गणेश नगर। तो मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि ईमानदारी से हो, हार जीत जीवन का अंग है, कोई भी हारो कोई भी जीतो, लेकिन पारदर्शिता रहनी चाहिए, और ये पूरी ईमानदारी से इनको चुनाव करवाने चाहिए, स्कूटनी में हमें बुलाना चाहिए, और सबके सम्मुख करवाने चाहिए चुनाव, और संडे के दिन या छुट्टी वाले दिन करवाना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमेशा ही यूथ हॉस्टल के इतिहास में जो भी चुनाव हुए हैं वो छुट्टी वाले दिन हुए हैं। इन्होंने जानबूझ के वर्किंग डे में चुनाव रखे हैं, सोमवार मंगल बुध। धन्यवाद।
Thanks to talk with us.